are you doing today, Jack?
We're digging a deep, deep hole.
Digging a deep, deep hole, and do we have a lot of trucks?
Yeah, so we can dig all the time.
Let's do it. Molly Mae, what do you think? You don't think anything. Whoa, how did this excavator get stuck in this hole? Jack, look what's coming to help.
No, you can't demolition that ramp.
I'm not demolishing anything.
Look at this ramp.
It's pretty cool, Jack.
Let's raise this truck up.
Okay, it's going up the ramp. Whoa, that scared me. Wow. What is Mr. Front Loader doing? He's stuck. Check out the stabilizer. And the other one. I suppose we should look at this big guy.
So I can make a path.
That's what you're doing? You're trying to make a big scoop? Look at that scoop. Wow, that was mighty.
Oh, I dumped it.
Whoa, dude. Epic scoop. Dump it.
Big dump. Dirty.
Oh, you did that one so fast. Mighty scoop again.
I have to get a big. I'm digging inside it, and you are digging it outside it. Getting taller.
Here comes my scoop.
He'll be back in a minute because he's full. It's heavy. It's heavy. It's very heavy.
What are you going to do with it?
Dump it!
Dump it. Wow.
Whoa, it wound super fast. Wound super fast. Round.
Yep. Jack, what is this thing? Are you gonna smash? Oh, you're gonna smash with a bulldozer, but you got it first. wasn't very nice. Well, thanks guys for watching JackJack Plays. Jack had a little bit of a meltdown here, so he's not gonna say goodbye to you guys. We'll see you next time.
Welcome to JackJack Plays.
Whoa, what's this here, Jack? What could it be? There's a giant present, and is it in a dump truck? Wow.
Dump it out. Let's go.
Okay, kids, we pulled it out.
Hey.
What are we gonna do with it?
I'll rip it.
Let's rip it and find out what's in here. Jack, rip it. What could it be? What is it? What is it?
It's a ride on Backhoe.
A ride on Backhoe. Sweet. All right, we're gonna pull everything out. I don't know if we'll dump it. We don't want to break anything. Go in there, Jack.
Whoa.
Whoa, he's going deep into the tunnel, kids.
Hand me the stuff. All right. Here it is. Ooh, that's a seat. Look at this. We're done.
Wow, look at that. It's a backhoe. Go, Jackie, go. Pedal, yeah. Good pedaling, Jack. Go, Jackie, go. Can you make it up the ramp? Almost, not quite. Use your feet. There goes Ruth. Look at that. It's got a shovel in the front, shovel in the back. Whoa! It's riding by itself.
Put the stabilizer down.
All right, let's see the stabilizer, Jack. Yeah, you've got to put the stabilizer. That's right, keep pushing it. It's almost there. There you go, nice. Let's see some digging action. Whoa, Jack, check that out. So you move those red things? Yep. That went down. Look at the shovel, kids. There you go. See how that dumps?
Can you move that truck over here?
Scooping in the earth. Scooping in the earth. Can it dump? Show us how it... Oh. What kind of job are you doing here, Jack?
I'm cleaning up some leaves.
Oh, cool. Your tires are cracking the gravel? Oh. All right, putting the stabilizer down. Nice work, Jack.
Molly, May, you want to dig a hole?
I think she does. Look, she's digging. Look, she's digging, Jack. Ah! Yeah, we're at the park we call Rabbit Park, just digging away.
I'm digging really do the super one. I need to come a little bit forward. And back to me. And then I
All right, everyone. Jack's going to keep digging here for a while, so we're going to let you go. Jack, what do you want to say to the kids?
my kids are gonna get so I can stuff.
And do what, Jack?
Dig.
And dig. Okay, bye-bye.
Welcome to JackJack Plays! Do you want to box a toy truck with me?
It's a Bruder, Backhoe, and tractor trailer!
Get those twisty ties. Blades go like that.
Oh.
So when it's on, guess what? Doesn't slide off.
Oh, all right. That like stabilizes it on there. Cool.
This is awesome. Let's play with it.
Is that a JCB backhoe? It is. We love JCB backhoes.
To go to the construction site.
All right. Load her on up.
So you can't
Molly.
open this.
Oh, the doors don't open?
Nope.
Does it have a spare tire?
Yeah.
Look at that, a spare tire.
Just in case if you can.
Oh, is the cab coming open to look at the engine?
Yeah.
Neat. I don't think that tire really comes off.
Nope. It's a nice detail. The trailer comes off.
Oh, neat. That's a great detail. That's a great feature. And then you could probably load that cab with other things.
So, I'm going to attach this back where it's supposed to be. Walk over in the middle of that. Now we'll go to the construction site.
Oh, that big bump knocked off the trailer. Better hook it on. There you go. Alright, where are you taking this thing, Jack?
I'm gonna take it over here. Now like this, it'll go.
Rolling down the tracks.
Woo! Here we are in our box.
Jack, tell us about this JCB backhoe.
It's just like the other one we have.
Oh, what makes a backhoe? Why is it a backhoe?
Because it has like a front shovel and a back shovel. This one and this one.
Oh, neat.
Now this one can really dig well.
Is that the backhoe part?
Uh-huh. It's called the ditch digging part. There's a ditch digger on the back. There's a front loader on the front.
You're saying that this machine can do a lot of jobs.
Uh-huh. It can do a lot of jobs at once. At sawmills, it can carry the logs.
Oh, really? I thought it was for digging.
For digging and picking up logs and carrying dirt.
Oh.
I need a dump truck.
Ask and you shall receive. Dun 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 dun. The Big Mac dump truck.
And I am going to dig and load it up into the air. She goes. Has a handle right here to lift it and drop it. And of course, move it.
Whoa.
That's a big plump. This thing has stabilizers.
Yeah, you're gonna put them down?
Right here on the ground. And I am digging the ground. While I dig at the ground, it's keeping it stable from tipping. We need to move the dump truck to the dumping pile.
You know what? I bet you could use the front part of the backhoe to push that into the garden. What a great idea. Here comes the backhoe to fix things up. I think you're getting more grass than you're getting dirt. There you go.
We're gonna fill it back up.
Doing two scoopers at once, a shovel and a backhoe?
Yeah, but I need to put it in to loosen this in. I'm gonna put this in so I can scoop that part up.
Molly, what are you doing? Getting muddy.
Now I can do it. I know I'm done because I know what I'm doing and I know how much time. We had a bit of an accident here. I'm gonna compact it so it fits right in.
Nice.
So it's compact and so it's all together and it doesn't fly out. It's like smushed dirt. Since I got my wheels in the dirt, that helps it work. Now I'll need to get that out. That. I pushing it down. Mission complete. Bring this backhoe to another construction site.
Are you gonna load it back on the truck?
Yep.
I think you need to put the shovel down.
Yeah, I need to. So it goes like this.
Nice.
Like that.
The thing's back up at the back.
Yeah, so it doesn't fly out. Let's go.
Hard work. Put it down.
Then put it down.
Here it comes.
Now we go down. Now that I have the shovel over here, I can loosen it up. I'm using this as a drill.
I sure hope you don't dig up Mommy's tulip bulbs.
A worm! I found it alive.
Oh wow, it's really wriggling around. All right, we'll put him back in a home. That's a cute worm.
Aww.
We love worms.
I know a home I can make her inside. Now I'll bury him so no one finds him.
All right, bye, Mr. Worm or Miss Worm.
Bye, Wormy. So, now since we need to drag this, drag and drag and then drag. We can fix that. That's okay. Actually, that's okay.
Oh, we're gonna use it separate for now? It just snapped off, kids. It didn't break.
It's okay. We can use it still.
We can use that now as an extension of Jack's arm.
It could be a hand.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, but we can snap that guy back on.
Yeah.
Although Bruder toys have been known to break on us. They're really good, though.
Your toys break, it makes new toys for you.
Oh, wow. That's a good way of thinking about it.
See, it's a new toy.
Yeah, but it's the old one. We'll snap it back on. It actually snaps right back on. I'm going to have to turn off the camera to do it, but believe me, it does. See? Good as new. What do you think, Molly? Woof, 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 woof. Throw that ball. Woof. Oh, you're getting dirty.
Squishy, squash. Kids, let's wash our new trucks.
All right, we'll try not to waste too much water here. All right, spray it. Oh, look at that muddy broth. Whoa.
It's all dark oil now.
Oh, I think that's just soil. Ah, the cab is now clean. All right, we got him clean. And done.
Bye, kids. It's about to rain. Bye. Thanks for watching my show.
Today we have 3 trucks inside our box. Let's see the first one. Kids, do you know what this is? If you said it's a backhoe, you're right. This is one of our favorite trucks. This is a JCB backhoe from Bruder Trucks. It's got a lot of really cool detail. Let's check out some of the things on it. Now I know you're thinking we need to get to shoveling, but first we need to put the stabilizers down. Oh, that one was stuck. There goes the other one. What do backhoes do? Do you know? Well, before we answer, let me ask you something else. Now I know you like surprises, but do you like messy surprises? Well, now we can test out what the backhoe is for. Look how it has a bucket scoop on it. Can you guess what we're going to do with it? By moving this silver piece, we can move the bucket up and down into position. It's ready to scoop now. Kids, do you know what color this backhoe is? What color do you think it is? If you said yellow, you are right. Great job. Yellow, yellow, yellow backhoe. Let's take a view from the top. Here we go, into position. Shovel is ready. Bucket is ready. Scoop. Lift. And what does this lever do? What do you think it does, kids? It does that. Did anyone notice how silly it was that I put the stabilizers down? Those stabilizers make it hard to move the truck. They're supposed to help stick it in place. It's just a toy though. Now we come to the really fun digger, the actual backhoe part. Watch how we can scoop the load. See, it bends at the boom and the stick. You can pick stuff up, drop it out. One nice thing about this truck when you play with it is you can grab it by the backhoe and pull it along. Alright, bye, Mr. Backhoe. What a mess. What do you think I've got that can help clean it? Can you guess? Wow, what kind of truck is that? Do you know? If you said that it's a small bulldozer, you're right. Look at the bulldozer go. What color is this bulldozer, kids? This is a yellow bulldozer. It's a Caterpillar bulldozer. What's special about a bulldozer, kids? Well, I can think of two things. One, it has a big blade on the front. And two, it has tracks. Let's check out this toy in action. Let's put down the blade. And here we go. Look at this big pile of junk the bulldozer made. What are we gonna do with it? I wonder if truck number 3 could help. What do you think truck number 3 is going to be? Wow, look at this dirty truck. What do you think it is? Here's some clues. It has big fat tires. It's got a big bucket with a claw on it. And it's really, really good at loading. Do you know what it is? This truck is a front-loading tractor. This is another Bruder truck. This one is a Class. What are the colors on this tractor? It looks orange, green, black, and even some white. Do you remember what colors the other trucks were? Do you remember? What were they? If you said that the other trucks were yellow, you remembered really well. Great job. Let's see this truck in some more action. Here it goes to scoop up the load. Okay, kids, those are our 3 trucks from our surprise box today. Did you like them? Did you guess what they have in common too? Did you? Well, there's probably lots of things that we can say, but they're all dirty. Look at that one. Look at those dirty tracks. We like to play with these trucks outside in the dirt. Check out some of our other videos to see them in action. What are you doing to Jack's poor backhoe?
We're making them
mud masks?
Okay, let's wash them off. Yep, gotta wash them off now. Gotta wash these things. I have to make this stronger. Because I put all the wires coming.
Watch this, kids. Shh.
Okay, excavator, I need you to dig up all this dense black sand from my face. Sure. Let's dig. It smells really bad.
This is what happens when these girls play with trucks. It's a little bit freaky.
Welcome to JackJack Plays with Matthias.
Alright guys, we're here at the beach and we've got trucks! Let's dig. Matthias, what kind of truck do you got there? It's an excavator. Jack, what's that you've got?
Excavator.
You've got the same excavator. We've got 2 of them, the leaf hair wheeled excavator. Let's see what Matthias is making here. It looks like he is digging a trench. Jack says he's gonna make a deeper trench while Matthias makes a long one.
Dig out the soil and dirt.
We are actually a little ways away from the beach by a giant tide pool that almost looks like a lake. The rest of the beach and the ocean is past that bridge.
I'm digging this pool up.
That is some fast excavator action. Wow.
Is that
So deep. That's JackJack in the green. That's T-Dog in the red. Matthias is T-Dog. T-Dog. Woof.
This is getting a really big pile. Oh my god. I just piled. Look how deep mine is. I'm getting old sand from sandcastles. And I'm digging the foundation.
Alright, we're digging the foundations for our mega sandcastle.
I'm the big backhoe. It has to be switched to the backhoe because it has to load this big truck.
Whoa, that is a huge scoop. Does that truck have enough power? It does. Yo, T-Dog, what's that you're using? It's a front loader. Look at that scoop into this beautiful sand. It's so soft.
My truck's full. My truck is full.
We broke our real dump truck, so we are using a flatbed truck, but it works just fine here on the beach.
Yeah! Now let's go to the dumping part.
Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen, Jack? Is there gonna be some dumping? Whoa! Great dump. Beep, 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 beep. Backing into position. We've got some bulldozer action now. Oh, are you getting worn out? You're working so hard. Matthias is one of Jack's best friends, and we came with his family to the beach. Guys, it's a truck emergency. Put it back up. Don't let it crash. Ah, there it is.
Hey, stop! Stop, Jackie. Do not do it this way, do it that way. Look at the bird. Here's the low spot. It just, the earth cracked, so we have to fill in.
Ah!
The earth cracked. Oh. Beep, 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 beep.
Here comes the T-Dog.
I'll have to fill this truck up, because good dirt. Spin around to this spot. Hey, Jack, you keep stepping on my truck. Stop stepping on my truck. I'm trying to scoop up this hole. The mission was complete then. Customers far away. We need to fill in some holes, because that's important. Make these things far away. This truck is all full. This truck is all full now. All full. Get the switch. And now dump it. Flop. So I can go what? The dirt has to be all the same size, so all the dirt can finally run through the hole. So I have to dig this hole around the base. I have to dig the moat by using that. My wheels must be stabilized. I need some help digging out the big parts of this. But here's how to dig out this. That guy is coming. What we have to do, we have to clear out space. I have to make the wall. The walls are destroyed. Quick, get. We'll have to make the sides of the sandcastle and dig out the moat we found. Little sand. This side. It's a sandcastle.
There goes Ruthie. There's Celeste.
I want to get muddy.
Oh, you're succeeding in getting muddy.
Muddy, muddy.
Oh, we found a puddle that's filling with water. Or a hole that's filling with water, making a big puddle.
I have to make this puddle stronger. Because I need all the water to come in. Yeah. I'm making this.
What are you building now?
We're building a pile of sticks.
Wow, look at all this driftwood. Really cool pile, guys. We're taking a break from our sandcastle for just a little bit.
Yeah, because we're building this.
Here he comes.
Did we get hundreds of sticks?
Hundreds of sticks. There's thousands of sticks here. And these are logs, not just sticks. Load them up, T-Dog. This is so slimy, kids. Oh, it's like I'm stepping in, I don't know what. It's really freaky feeling. The boys are back in action. They needed to plow around their giant pile.
Yeah,
right, boys?
Yeah.
Kids, would you like to be here with Jack and Matthias? I bet you would. Look at that. Look at that, kids. Look how hard T is working.
If it falls this way, this can save it from falling. This is the balance.
Kids, you can imagine you're right here in between Matthias and... Oh no! What happened? The tread fell off. It's okay. It's easy to get back on. It's a nice thing about Tonkas is they're tough and they're pretty easy to fix. As I was saying, kids, you could fit right in here with your truck and help them push the sand up into the side of the pile.
I don't want leaking part edges.
That's right.
We need to fill them in. We don't want edges.
Whoa, now the girls are at it. Look at the slime, kids. It's freaky. Ah. Can you even hear that, I wonder? Whoa, check out this mud that the girls are in.
It might be tar. We don't know. It is tar.
I don't know.
Oh, black sand. Mom said it was tar.
Maybe. I don't know.
It's really.
Some beaches around here definitely have tar, but it's not sticking to my feet. Or is it? Watch this, kids. Shh. Oh my goodness! Celeste found a crab! Shoveling up the crabs. Bye, Mr. Krabby. Go back to your mud.
This is the best face mask. It's called.
I'd like to see you do it.
Okay.
What do you think your mom and dad would think? Oh, go all the way.
Okay, excavator, I need you to dig up all this dense black sand from my face. Sure. Let's dig. It smells really bad.
This is what happens when these girls play with trucks. It's a little bit freaky. What are you doing to Jack's poor backhoe?
We're making them
Mud masks?
Okay, let's wash them off. Yep. Gotta wash them off now. Gotta wash these things. See how deep this is, kids?
It's so deep. Not. All clean. All clean.
Wait, use a headband.
Oh, a seaweed headband. How cute. All right, Mama, show these kids how it's done. Probably not like that.
Yeah, not like that. Okay, let's see. It's too hard.
Yeah, pieces snapped off of that. Try the other truck. All right, well,
Look.
you guys in the audience think you know why the sand is black and you agree it's tar, or disagree, let us know in the comments. It's dirty, whatever it is. Cool. This is a microbial blanket.
Yes, this is like here you can see where like there's like the pieces of the green. It's a microbial blanket in the tide.
Cool.
Flat.
Wow, the kids are really gonna learn something today.
I know. It's really tough.
Thick. That must be tough. Kids, can you see the bird on the beach? In the wood? It's coming to check out the snacks that we brought. It's keeping a safe distance though. So want to get anywhere near Jack, Jack, and Matthias.
Bye, kids. I'm watching JackJack Plays.
Well, they were trying to tell you, thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.
I'm D-Doritoing you.
D-Dorito face action.
Better?